Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 2. We will present about control of pests in rambutan plants. Before we start our present, let me introduce our group members. First, Polis Apriliawati with student number 71, and then Muhammad Irsyad with student number 80, and the last Arifah Nurhanani with student number 81. Next. Rambutan. Rambutan or Nepalium sp is a horticultural fruit plant. The word rambutan comes from the shape of the fruit, which has a skin resembling a hair. From the survey that has been carried out, there are 22 types of rambutan. Both derived from pure lines and the result of grafting or combining two types with different lines. Rambutan plants are commonly found in tropical and subtropical climates. Morphology of rambutan. The rambutan tree is 15 till 25 meters high and has many branches. The leaflets are oval in shape. The tips and base of the leaf are pointed. The edges are flat. The spines are pinnate. The stalk is cylindrical. Spines limb to stiff. The skin of the fruit is green and turns yellow or red when it is ripe. The seeds are elliptical in shape and have a thin, woody seed coat. Male flowers and female flowers grow separately in one tree.
Next is pest of rambutan. Number 1 is caterpillar, and then fruit fly or Bactrocera dorsalis, and then stalk borer or Indrabella sp, and then mealybug or Planococcus citri, and then ulat jengkal or Olusia sp, and then fruit borer or C. punctiferalis, and then Tiratabella pest. Caterpillar. This pest can cause rambutan plants to be bare and even crop failure. Larvae are the most destructive stage because they cause rambutan leaves to run out and mold and can even reduce rambutan fruit production. This pest attack usually appears in the dry season until the beginning of the rainy season. Pest control. Pupae, weeds, and leaf litter under the canopy need to be cleaned to suppress the caterpillar population. By cleaning the leaf litter can destroy the pupae of the pest Hyperacella insulicoa. Adult control is done by spraying contact pesticide. Spraying pesticide is recommended mixed with adhesive. And then biological control. Using entomopathogenic Barbaraceae and Metarhizium, the entomopathogenic fungi were applied above the ground so that the lead instar larvae and pupae could be infected with the fungus. Ulat jengkal or Plusia sp. The colorful of the ulat jengkal is brown, resembling a dry leaf stalk, slender and segmented. This caterpillar eat young leaf so that the leaf margin become dry, curly, yellow-brown, look sick, and the leaves are hollow. Pest control. Chemical. Using Lindane insecticide, the dosage is according to the packaging label. And then biology. Using natural enemies such as parasitoid can control pests. Parasitoid for span caterpillar are Copidosoma floridanum, Aphanteles sp, Microplitis sp.
And then fruit fly or Bactrocera dorsalis. Fruit fly will lay their eggs under the skin of the fruit by perching so that there are black puncture marks on the fruit. Larvae that have heads will burrow the fruit, causing the fruit to rot. Pest control. Technical culture. Land sanitation by collection fallen or rotten fruit and then destroying it and burning it or burying in the ground. Using a yellow glue trap mixed with a small amount of methyl eugenol to catch adult fruit flies. Mechanical control. Using a methyl eugenol attractant trap that was hung in a trap made of mineral water to catch male flies. Chemical control. Using a hot fumigation tool or fogger and pesticide that come out in the form of fog or smoke because the droplet size is very small. And then biological control. Using sterile male fruit flies. If the male insect is sterile, the egg produced from mating with female flies becomes sterile or cannot produce offspring, and eventually the population will decline and be destroyed. Using natural enemies such as parasitoids, predators, and pathogens. The most common type of parasitoid found was Biosteres sp. and Ophius sp. Common fruit fly predators are ant and spider. The most common type of pathogen that attacks fruit fly pupa is Beauveria bassiana. Next. Mealybug or Planococcus citri. Mealybug attacks plants by sucking plants' fluids. The mealybug causes stunt growth and loss of young fruit. Mealybug can produce honeydew liquid which invite the growth of sooty mold, which is harmful to rambutan plants. Pest control mechanic. Prune the branches so that the crown is not too dense. Trim leaves, stem, or fruit that is attacked by mealybugs. If imago is found around the plant, immediately discard it. Biologists as Empusa presently and natural enemies such as black ants. Chemical can be done by spraying the insecticide Lebicide 550. Next. Starboard or Indrabella sp. Indrabella sp. caused damage to the bark and made holes in the trunk. Control by spraying an appropriate insecticide twice a week up to 1 month before harvest. Fruit borer or C. pansiveralis. The fruit borer attacks young and ripe rambutan fruit. Symptoms that appear are the fruit becomes dry and breaks. There is a small hole under the skin of the rambutan. Pest control is carried out preventively by spraying insecticide and cut stem or remove fruit that is detected by this type of pest. And then Tirataba or Tirataba sp. The larva will burrow the flower stalk. The former will be covered with the thread produced by the larva. Control can be done by trimming the affected plant part and then burning. Biological control for Tirabata insect can use the entomopathogenic fungi Beauveria bassiana and B. turigensis. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.